welcome back to my channel. This is our second episode of Desert Hotel review. If you haven't watched our first episode of Anaterra Resort, please check that episode out.
Yeah, so we are here today at the Al Maha Desert Resort in Dubai.
Al Maha is located about an hour east of Dubai in a desert conservation preserve, with 42 standalone intimate suites featuring top-notch amenities and services. Starting from $2,000 a night, there's no doubt Al Maha sets the bar for Dubai luxury. However, it is an all-inclusive resort, so the rate includes 3 meals and 2 desert activities each day.
We checked in a little bit earlier, so their check-in time is 3. We arrived at 2 p.m. So we just stopped by here for a quick lunch now. All the lunch, dinner, and breakfast comes with the hotel stay.
Kaleidoscope dreams, citrus kisses, like in magazines. Sleepy mornings, colorful nights, dancing dreams with you. I love it.
So for the starters, we got some foie gras.
Basically, you can pick a starter, main course, and a dessert from the menu.
They have a variety of selections. I think I ordered lamb chops, but they also have steaks as well as Arabic grills.
The void, new flowers in bloom, blue skies awake when I'm next to you. Sleepy mornings, colorful nights, dancing dreams with you. I love it. Be my shot in the dark. You're my brand new star.
The resort's main restaurant is Al Divan, which has indoor and outdoor seating. We were guided to indoor seating for lunch and outdoor for dinner. The food here far surpasses anything you would expect from an all-inclusive. If you guys want to come for lunch the first day, remember to come before 2:30 because lunch stops at 2:30.
So we just got done with the 3-course lunch now. I'm so full. After this, we're gonna go on 2 activities that was complimentary with the hotel stay. So right now we're going to the wildlife tour, and then right after that is the sunset camel riding.
Activities occur at the same time each day. Your personal guide will go over each activity in detail at check-in, and you can pick any 2 activities each night's day. So we picked 2 afternoon activities and skip all morning activities, because you need to wake up very early in the morning.
Oh, how dark, almost. All is outside, all is outside.
How many Al Mahas have you ever counted?
They're on the reserve. We've got between 1,000 and 1,100.
So I saw the different colors.
2 different species.
Okay.
So the big white ones, that's the Al Maha, that's the Arabian oryx.
Okay.
The little brown ones, they're your gazelle. So the ones all around the reserve, the resort, sorry, they're the gazelle. So on that bush you can see all the really light green dots. So they're all flowers. So that's what they're eating.
They produce honeys.
No, unfortunately not. I don't really get bees here.
was it for the wildlife tour?
It was basically just like a desert safari. And now we're off to camel riding.
My favorite part.
Let's see.
So what we're doing, going for about a 20-25 minute ride out to our sundowner destination, where we'll meet you, get you off, have some drinks, watch the sunset, and then once we're ready, we'll hop back onto the camels, another 20-25 minutes, and we'll come back.
Sit here, okay?
Okay. I'm ready for the camel ride. Look, this one. It's right here. Hello? Hey guys, so I hop on the camel again after the drink. It's a little bit dark already. It's gonna take another 20 minutes, I guess, to get back. We are finally back in dark.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be so long,
Yeah.
but it was fun though. But it gets chilly over the night, so.
Thank you.
So I start from here. This is here the coffee machine. The water is here, and also we have water here. So water is complimentary. If you need any more water, you can just dial 0. Then we will deliver the water. Okay. This is sherry wine, also complimentary. You can have it, and if you want, they will refill it one more time. Okay. This is the mini bar, which is chargeable. This one is chargeable except the milk. So milk you can use for the tea or coffee. Okay.
So we just checked into the hotel. It's a little bit dark outside. It's very dark outside actually. There's a pool that you can swim in 24/7. They have also provided with some complimentary cherry wine, as well as some fruits and snacks and desserts. So we're just gonna chill and relax for a little bit until we go for dinner.
Can I have pan-fried octopus?
Certainly. So what about the main course?
Can I have beef fillet, please?
Yes, so how you prepare the fillet should be cooked?
Medium rare.
Medium, certainly. For you, sir?
Yeah, also get the scallops, tempura.
Certainly.
It's so dark, like you can't even see your food. You can also have your dinner in your room, but then it will be different menu.
Hope you're enjoying.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning. We're having a special visitor. Two of them were actually fighting this morning.
Yeah, one of them is like chief of the pack, the alpha male.
Compared to castle-like Qasr Air Sarab, Omaha makes you feel like sleeping in a luxury giant tent in the desert. Each villa includes its own private deck and a heated infinity pool. The interior of the villa is spacious and comfortable.
Whispering to me, gently I'm waking. It's the dawn of a new day. You've painted for me, colors exploding, telling our story. I'm waking up, I'm waking up. I'm waking up, I'm waking up. Night turns to morning. You have been waiting, whispering to me, gently I'm waking.
Hey guys, this is the floating breakfast for this morning, but some animals tried to steal it. Hello? You wanted to? Look at him.
I know that I don't bring a lot to the table, just little pieces of a broken heart. There's days I wonder if you'll still be faithful, hold me together when I fall apart. Would you remind me now of who you are, that your life will never change, that there's healing in your name, and that you can take broken things and make them beautiful. It took my shame and you walked out of the grave, so your love can take broken things and make them beautiful. Oh, and make them beautiful.
Last but not least, this property is definitely the best value redemption across all hotels and resorts in the Marriott Bonvoy portfolio. What do you think about Omaha compared to Anaterra?
Well, it's different, right? Because this Omaha resort is sitting right in the Omaha Reserve, so you actually get to see different animals. And the desert here is a little bit different. Where in Anaterra, there's just basically no grass. There's no creatures, nothing, no animals outside. It's very peaceful and quiet in both places.
Yeah.
So I recommend both of those places.
Yeah,
for you
let me
guys.
put it in this way. If you prefer like a better quality desert, choose Anaterra maybe.
Yeah, I would say
If
that.
you prefer like all-inclusive, then choose Omaha. Omaha is definitely much more expensive than Anaterra though. But it does come with 3 meals, 2 activities, and your private pool. Leave a comment below and tell us which one do you prefer.
Yep.
Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
See you guys next time.
Bye guys!